Hello everyone. In the previous year question paper discussion, today we are going to discuss a question from the compulsory question. Question number 2. What is ocean ranching and how the Aqua-Cowboys related to such activities? To answer this question, we should understand the difference between the ocean fish farming and the ocean ranching. These two terms differ slightly. Ocean fish farming is done in a closed environment and in a protected and assisted environment. But ocean ranching is different. It is in the unprotected, unassisted, and in the open environment. So we have to use the proper keywords to answer this question. Now I do show you the important keywords to use this in this answer. First of all, the ocean ranching is a type of fish farming in which the juvenile fish are released into the ocean to grow unprotected and unassisted to be subsequently harvested. In the ocean fish farming and in the ocean ranching, in both activities, we are going to harvest the final resources, but the environment only differs here. Okay. And another definitions we can use in this answer is it clearly excludes mariculture conducted in pens or other enclosed and protected environment. And another definition, the unassisted, unprotected variety of ocean fish farming is considered as the ocean ranching. The demarcation between the ocean ranching and ocean farming is that if the fish are not artificially enclosed, the activity is regarded as the ocean ranching. And in the ocean ranching, we are not going to harvest only fish, any other marine organisms. Okay. And in the protected and in the assistant environment, the ocean ranching and the ocean fish farming differ by the levels. For example, through this diagram, you can understand this. In the ocean ranching, the assistance and protection are low level. For example, in the level of 0. But in the ocean fish farming, the assistance and protection are in the higher level because it is in a closed environment and we will provide food for them, and it is not in a natural environment. But in the ocean ranching, we don't provide food for them, but it is grown in a natural open environment. Okay. And who are the Aqua-Cowboys? The Aqua-Cowboys are individuals or groups involved in the ranching process. And the Aqua-Cowboys play a crucial role in activities like capturing, raising, and releasing aquatic species and protect the sustainability of the environment. So the Aqua-Cowboys will have to monitor the sustainability of the environment through by monitoring the health of the species and the health of the other species also, and the food chain of the environment and the health of the predator too. Okay, so these are the major keywords to be used in the answer. And suppose you may ask another question. Suppose if you don't know the definition for ocean ranching and if you don't know who are the Aqua-Cowboys, then you may ask, how can I answer to this question during the examination? By guessing the opposite terms or the related terms to this, we can guess the definition for this and we can answer to this question. For example, they have used the term ranching instead of the farming. We know the definition for farming very well. Any farming activities, it will be in a closed environment and in a protected and assisted environment. So we can guess the ranching may be the opposite term for farming. And the Aqua-Cowboys, we know about the land cowboys. We have seen in many movies. The land cowboys, their major economic activity is the cattle rearing, and they don't allow the foreigners to exploit their resources, and they don't even overexploit their own resources, and they will keep their environment in a sustainable manner. So sustainability is more important to them. So they protect their environment properly by utilizing their own resources. The same thing, the counterpart of the land cowboys are the Aqua-Cowboys. So Aqua-Cowboys, they will monitor the health of the environment also. They don't only they exploit the resources, they will keep the sustainability of the environment too. So thus we can guess with the opposite terms whatever we have read and we know. So These are the major keywords for this answer. Okay. Thank you all.